Hi there, friends. Welcome to the magical world of KIDobotica. Have you ever wondered why the ocean is salty? Have you ever tasted ocean water? Yikes, it's super salty. But why is that? Let's go on an adventure to find out. Are you ready? Let's dive in. A long time ago, the ocean wasn't salty at all. It was fresh like a lake. But over millions of years, something amazing happened. Can you guess what it was? No, it wasn't because someone dropped a giant salt shaker. It's because of rivers. Rivers flow through mountains and land, picking up tiny bits of minerals. These minerals travel all the way to the ocean, and some of them turn into salt. So you could say rivers are like chefs, adding a little salt to the ocean. Pretty cool, right? Salt isn't just there for fun, it's super important. It helps ocean animals like fish, crabs, and even tiny plankton live happily in their salty home. Now, imagine if the ocean wasn't salty. What do you think the fish would say? Hey, where's our salt water? We need it to feel comfy. Here's a fun fact. Some places have even saltier water than the ocean, like the Dead Sea. Have you heard of it? If you visit, you can just float on the water without even trying. But here's a question for you. Why is it called the Dead Sea? It's because there's so much salt, no fish or plants can live there. Want to see how salt makes water magical? Here's an experiment you can try at home. Take 2 glasses of water. Add salt to one and leave the other plain. Now, gently place an egg in each glass. Guess what happens? In the salty water, the egg will float like a little boat. That's because salt makes water denser. Pretty amazing, huh? And that's the story of why the ocean is salty. We learned how rivers bring minerals to the ocean, why salt is important, and even tried a fun experiment. Thanks for joining me today on KIDobotica. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories and fun facts. See you next time, friends.